Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian gastronomy. Homemade Peruvian Pisco sour recipe. Carefully follow the steps of this quick and easy cocktail recipe with which you will learn how to prepare the best Peruvian drink in history. It is the famous Pisco sour. This homemade Peruvian Pisco sour is made with the spirit of the same name, pisco, sugar, ice and lemon. Plus an extra ingredient that gives a unique texture to the cocktail, egg whites. Ingredients to make homemade Peruvian Pisco sour. 3 measurements of pisco. 2 measures of sugar. 1 measure of lemon juice. 1 egg white. Ice. How to make homemade Peruvian Pisco sour. 1. With these measurements you can prepare 2 glasses of a delicious homemade Pisco sour. Keep in mind that when we talk about measurements we are referring to what fits in a shot glass, approximately 30 to 35 milliliters. However, you can maintain the proportions to make Pisco sour for more people. 2. We then start by mixing the pisco with the sugar and lemon juice in the blender. Beat at maximum power until you check that the sugar has dissolved. 3. Next add the egg white along with the crushed ice until it reaches about 3/4 of the blender glass. Blend everything together and you will see how the egg whites foam. 4. Serve the homemade Peruvian Pisco sour and enjoy. To decorate you can add a little cinnamon powder. With this same procedure, other cocktails are made that you may also like, such as the whiskey sour or the famous amaretto sour, with its characteristic lollipop flavor. Ready a delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.